In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share access to Google Analytics. To start, open your browser and head to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns or manages the analytics property you want to share. If you have multiple properties, double check you're in the right one by looking at the account and property selectors at the top of the interface. Once you're in the correct place, look for the admin area. In Google Analytics 4, the admin button is the gear icon in the lower left corner. Click that to open the settings. You'll see two main columns, account on the left and property on the right. Because we're granting access at the account level, so it can apply across properties under that account, click into the account column to highlight the correct account. Next, select Account Access Management. This is where you control who can get in and what they can do. At the top right of this screen, you'll see a plus icon. Click the plus, then choose Add Users. This opens the panel where you'll set up access for new people. In the email field, type the email address of the person you want to invite. It's best to use the email tied to their Google account for a smooth sign-in experience. If you're adding more than one person, you can add multiple emails here. You'll also notice an option to notify new users by email. Leave that on so they receive the invite. Now, choose the roles you want to assign. Common roles include Viewer for read-only access, Analyst for creating and sharing explorations without changing settings, Editor for managing assets and configurations, and Administrator for full control, including user management. Pick the least privileged role that still lets the person do their job. You can always increase access later if needed. Below roles, you'll find standard restrictions and data restrictions. These let you fine-tune what the user can see, particularly around sensitive metrics. For example, you can restrict cost or revenue metrics if you don't want financial data visible to that user. Apply restrictions only when necessary to keep reporting practical while protecting sensitive information. When everything looks right, the emails, the roles, and any restrictions, click Add. Google Analytics will create the user entry and, if you kept notifications on, send them an email with access details. You'll return to the access management list where you can confirm they were added. From here, you can edit roles later or remove access at any time. That's it. You've successfully shared access to Google Analytics while keeping control over permissions and sensitive data.